Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Carol Tichie Caribou. Now, it's about to rain. I hope you can't hear the noise, but from the title of the video, you already know that I am monetized. You've probably seen some ads pop up in the beginning, in the middle of my videos, and towards the end, and you've probably skipped them. Have you skipped them? Have you? So if you'd like to know how I got monetized, the whole process of getting monetized, then keep on watching. Oh, wait. A tutorial of this hair is coming up soon, so I suggest you subscribe and click that notification bell so that you don't miss this. Now let's get into the video. So guys, I'll be checking my notes over here, and because there are dates, numbers, nini, I can't keep up. But I got monetized on Feb 18th, and I got the email from YouTube that I am eligible to get monetized on the 16th. So you see, just took 2 days to get monetized, which is quite easy for us, because I remember in the past creators have had to go through a lot, like maybe a month, some 2 months before they got monetized. But for me, it took me 2 days to be approved, which was amazing. So let's go over the requirements that you need for you to get monetized. So you need 1,000 subscribers, and you need 4,000 watch time hour, 4,000 hours of watch time, which translates to 240,000 minutes. Guys, that's a school bus. The kids are already coming back home, so you can tell what time it is, around 2:30, 3. Anyway, so you can see how important it is to support your creators in terms of 1, subscribing, and 2, watching their videos all the way through, because how YouTube counts the minutes, the watch time hours, is then how long you've stayed watching a video. So if you stay watching, like for example my videos for like 4 minutes, YouTube only counts 4 minutes, not the whole 20 or 15 minutes my video, how long my video is. No, it's how long you as the viewer stayed on watching my video. So if you want to support your creators, you can, 1, subscribe, 2, watch their videos all the way through. Hiya. So I started my channel in May 2018. Now you can see it took me almost 21 months to get monetized. Almost 2 years, guys. And partly my first year I wasn't that consistent with my uploads and all that, so that kind of affected my watch time, affected my subscriber count, affected me being recommended to you guys. So if you want to grow, you hear people saying, other YouTubers, other creators saying, you need to be consistent. It's true, you need to be consistent. Okay, so I got 1,000 subscribers in August 2019. So it took me how many months? 15 months for me to get to 1,000 subscribers, because I wasn't consistent. Now, partly because YouTube is not my full-time job. Some people, if YouTube is your full-time job, it's easy for you to upload consistently and upload regularly, like 3 times a week. But if it's not your full-time job, you may end up uploading once a week. If you're lucky, 2 times a week. It's raining, guys, I'm sorry. So yes, being consistent is so important. I hope it's just not as loud as it is. Okay, so if you want to know if you're eligible for monetization, you go to your creator studio, and then under the where the videos are, videos playlist, that tab, there's monetization, depending on which one you're using. If it's a new version, it's just there. If it's the old version, you have to go somewhere deeper, but it's just in the column. You know, if you're a YouTuber, you know where it is. But I'll try and insert something for you to see where it is, for those who are not YouTubers and just curious. So once you meet the requirements, you get an email. Okay, before that, you go to the tab, the monetization tab, to see if you're eligible. If you're not, they'll show you how many subscribers you have, how much watch time you have, and how much you need to hit the goal for you to be eligible. Now there's a box, a check marker. You have to check that box where they say send me an email once I'm eligible. That you check that box so that YouTube alerts you once you're eligible, because not everyone is just there constantly checking if they're eligible. So that's really good. Hiya. So once you meet the requirements, you get an email from YouTube, definitely, and then you go back to the monetization tab, and there you have 3 steps you need to take. So you take 3 steps for you you need to do those 3 steps for you to get approved. So for the first step, you just key in all your details, your address, etc, all those details. And then the second step, that is not the hardest step, that is like the easiest step. So the second step, you have to have an AdSense account. So that's one of the requirements for you to have an AdSense account. Now if you put in your website that is like unique to you, you'll have to create an AdSense account separately. But if you're putting in your YouTube URL, they'll be like, if it's a YouTube account or any account associated to Google, so blog, is it blog, blogger, the one for the one for blogging that is hosted by Google, that one, and YouTube, because YouTube is also linked to Google, they will create an AdSense account for you, so you don't have to create yourself, which is awesome. So that's what they did for me. So I just keyed in whatever they needed, they created an account for me, and then going on to the next step. So that took 24 hours because I kept refreshing and refreshing. They're like, it's under process. I'm like, for how long? Then okay, the next day when I came back the next day, it was done. So I was going to the third step, where you have to wait to get approved. So what they do here is that they go through your channel to see if it meets the requirements. So you know, also Google has terms and conditions before you become it's called a partnership, the partnership program. So one of the many things that they are checking for, because they check your most recent uploads and they check your most popular, so the ones that got the most views, they don't check every video in your account, they just check those ones. So they check for whether you have curse words in your videos, that will make you not be eligible. If there's nudity, and here nudity is not like showing cleavage or butt cheeks, the way I've seen butt cheeks and cleavages in this platform. No, for nudity, it has to be something like you've shown your nipples, you've shown your private parts, or if there's some violence, if you show a dead body. Like there's a YouTuber who showed a dead body in his videos, and he got striked. Yeah, it was really bad. He was almost losing his account, and he has millions and millions of followers. And if your videos are meant for kids, so all those, if you have all those in your videos, you won't be eligible for monetization. It's getting louder and louder. So you won't be you would be eligible for monetization. So they check that. So if you're eligible, they'll pass you through, and once you get approved, you go to the monetization tab. Now it's completely different now. So it has demos, like 2 features where you can place your ads. Like they show you physically where you can put ads on the videos, on your videos. So you can either put them at the front of your video, an ad in front, an ad at the end. You can put an ad in between. You guys have seen that. You can put a banner underneath your video where somebody can click out or can just leave it there. And then there are others which are like default, like they show at the sides or at the bottom of the videos. Yeah, so what I had to do for me to get my videos, like put ads in my videos, I had to go one by one each video and accepting monetize, yes, and then put ads where they want to be. But I feel like there's something I did wrong. There's a way you can just check all the videos and all the videos get turned on for monetization. I had to go manually, and I was like, I don't care. I really want my videos to be monetized, you know. If you know how much time we spend on shooting, recording, fighting the weather, then you know it's very important to get monetized. Yeah, so far the dollars that I see, the revenue is not that much for now, but I think you just need to now upload consistently. You need to be like consistent on that game. You need to upload topics that people that are popular, either trending, popular, or people would like to know, educative videos. So it's all about how you want to I don't know how to advise you, but if you want to support your creators, first of all, at least decide you're not going to skip at least one video. Just say at least one video in the entire, like if the person has 3 or 2 videos, at least don't skip one video. That one you'll say, I'm supporting my fave. I'm supporting my fave creator. Yeah, so yeah, if you'd like to see a video of me explaining how I hit my 1,000 subscribers, what I did to get the 1,000 subscribers, and also how I got my 240,000 minutes, what I did to get there, just give this video a thumbs up, comment down below that you want to see that, so that I know you want to see it, so that I can prepare for it. And do let me know if this video was helpful to you, and did it encourage you as a creator. If you're a creator, if it encouraged you that yes, I am a small creator and yet I'm monetized, did it encourage you to feel like I can get there, you know, at least there's hope. And also, what else have I forgotten? If you've been curious on how YouTubers or YouTube creators earn, now you have a little bit of insight. Once I get my first YouTube paycheck, I'm going to share with you guys this. Check out here, how much did Tichie get? Yeah, so that video will also come up. And if you are a creator, and you just comment down below your YouTube channel, and then people can see and check out your stuff, and if they like and if they resonate with your content, then they can subscribe, right? So feel free, I'm giving you the permission. You can say which content you make, and you can leave your YouTube link to your channel down in the description box. You have my permission. And guys, I hope this was helpful. Do let me know, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.